Dear friends, Namaskar. Today I am here to talk about a pair of teeny, colorful, and incredibly loving creatures. The ones we know as lovebirds. Love is not limited to human alone. Nature expresses love in its own beautiful ways, and among its purest symbols of love are these beautiful lovebirds. These birds are not only vibrant in color, but their behavior reflects a deep bond and devotion towards one another. A pair of lovebirds rarely stays apart. They eat together, play together, sleep together, as if they are a living example of true love. Taking care of lovebirds is not just about looking after pets, it's about embracing peace, responsibility, and affection in our lives. They teach us love means always being there for each other. Trust, bonding, and empathy are essential in any relationship. The smallest moments of joy bring the greatest happiness. Friends, if we can learn from the way lovebirds live with honesty, togetherness, and care,